Hi, my viewers and listeners. Today it is your friend, your teacher, Sir Winfred, and as usual, we're supposed to know our letters of the alphabet. And what letter are we going to look at today? So today is straightforward and simple. And look at on the board, we have letter N. And letter N, what is the sound? In reading, in writing, what is the sound? Letter N. So let's go straight with our previous knowledge, and we have the RPK. What is RPK? Relevant, R for relevant, P for previous, and K for knowledge. So here we talk about A, B, K, D, E, or what? I, go. G, G, I, and also I, remember, I, and then J. But remember, this J is small, so we put the dot on it, and we have the K, and then we have the So today, we are to look at letter. We have the letter M already done, so we are going to look at letter N, okay? So here L, M, okay? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N. So therefore, we are looking at letter N. So here, we have to look at letter N, okay? So here we have done this already, L, and then we put them in the box, okay? Yeah, put all of them in the box like this, nicely, okay? That means you're able to do all, and make sure you can identify and write as well, okay? And then we have this one, and then that one. So therefore, we have our letter N to cut. So today, we are going to look at the letter N. But here, we have the N, which is the upper case letter, okay? And then here also, we have the lower case letter, which is the what? This is the lower case letter, okay? Lower case letter. Let me write one with the letter for you to see clearly. And this is also what? Letter, okay? So we have the uppercase letter and then the lowercase letter. So what letter is this? And what letter is this? So here we have the big, and the big is called uppercase letter. And then the small, okay, is what? Which is what? Lowercase letter. So here, the uppercase, this is the what? The big letter N, and then this one is the small letter N. So that is the two we have. So know that we have the big letter N, and then the small letter N. Okay? So here, uppercase letter, and then this is the lowercase letter. So what is the difference between the big letter N and then the small letter N? The big letter N, we cut indicating the arrow sign here. Look at it, 1. We come here, 2, and then here what? 3. Okay? Then let's look at the what? The small letter, we go this way, and then we come this way. So look at the arrow, the way it starts. So there is difference between the big letter N and the small letter N. So we have Remember, I told some because children find it difficult to remember letter N. So I relate letter N to when you go to the W, so you visit the toilet, and the way you sit on it, and then like that, then you remember letter N. Okay, so repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Differentiate between and this one is So you try to what? To force yourself out. You can do it. Let's try again. And this one, you close your mouth. So this is but today we are M. So we are looking at letter So here, this is letter So that your tongue goes up, okay? Yes, let your tongue enters your inner, okay? Okay, so therefore we have to cut letter by tracing letter we come down, okay, like this, and then we cross like that. Then you bring it up here. Go. Letter this, letter and then again here, this, and then this letter So let's go and cut small letter So small letter look at it in the what? In the black. Like this. Like that. And this. Okay. So please know the difference between big letter N and then the small letter N. Look at the sound. The sound of saying the N, the last sound you use it for nana, name, new, night. It's night time and the whole place is dark. Okay, night, and you have to sleep. Night. Nice. Ooh, it is nice. Look at my what? My crayon. So nice. It is very nice. You like it? Nice. Okay. So N sound is so here, let's cut. This is trace. So now let's look at it and write word. Go. Okay, and you join here also. Great. Oh my God! And then you join this side nicely. But remember to join well. Okay. Go like this. Let's try this one also. Small letter. If you want to train your children how to cut letter remember to focus, emphasize on the letter differences between them. I close my mouth, and then the as you open, Remember, the water coaster, to understand it, simply use the water coaster. When the children are on the water coaster, then they are trying to go. Remember the sound. Like that. So please know the difference between and then So my pupils out there, if you easily want to remember letter then therefore you go follow teacher. As I come here, we have for this, for that, for that, for noodle. I think you love noodles and you eat a lot of noodles. Yes, I remember. Winfred likes noodle. Regina also likes noodle. Peach also likes noodles. Everybody likes noodles. But Winfred, no. I don't like noodles, but you like. So, for that, for that, for that. No, night. No, night. What's the number? 999. 999. Number. For number. And for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 999 numbers. 999. So here we are to indicate, to show you that, and for nets, and for nuts, and for net. Go! The ball enters into the net. And for net, and for noodles. Yummy noodles. And then, and for night. It's night time. It's night time. I need to sleep. Night time, you can't play. As a pupil, when it is night, you have to go and sleep. And for night. And then we have number. And for numbers. And for numbers. And what number is this? Number 9. So, for 9. So we have and for less. And for that, and for that, and for noodle, and for night, and for night, and for night, and for rest. I use this opportunity to thank the WHO, to thank the world leaders for a great fight. Not forgetting our doctors and our nurses, because you are doing a marvelous job by fighting the COVID-19. The nurses need their noodles. When they eat the noodles, they become good and strong. Look. Nuts. I love nuts. I eat nuts. It's good for me. What about you? For nuts. For net. Hey. Go! The ball is in the net. Hey, I want to catch the fish. Then we throw the net and then it's caught. And what is that? For net. But this net is too big, so I think this is for football, okay? And for net. And then we have for 9. Number 9. I am number 9 and I score goals every day. So number 9. So N for next. Repeat after me. N for next. N for nuts. For net. For noodles. For night. For 9. I repeat. For next. For nuts. For net. For noodles. For night. And for 9. Okay, so here it is simple and straightforward. So now that you can write big letter and small letter I I write and I give you homework. This is the homework, your homework, okay? And you have to circle sound in the square below. So here, a, b, k, d, p, k, p, r, k, a, b, d, e or e, p, k, so circle the what? You have to circle the what? The sound. So please, I come straight forward here and then you circle the sound. So here it is So make sure that you circle all the sound. Okay? Don't forget. And for nest, for nut, for net, for noodle, for night, and none for none. So please, viewers and listeners, I thank you and I say God bless you. Never worry, COVID will be a history in the past. So if you are there and you are worried, please calm down. The virus, with God, all things are possible, and it will be a history in the past. Continue caring for your babies and give the best to your babies. I come on from腾飞International School, and we say to you, just subscribe, like, and share our video. And please, more importantly, try to educate, nurture your children. May God bless you. Bye.